Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, I've had this laying around the shop, and I don't know where it came from. I think it's probably was my dad's, but it's a pipe wrench, and it says West Germany on it. You know, it's not in bad shape, except for the fact that it's way bent. It's bent this way, and it's also bent this way. So I don't have a hydraulic press or anything like that. I've got a vise and I've got a pipe, and I watched a Scout Crafter video recently that talked about how to do that stuff. So I'll give it my best shot. Whether I succeed or fail, I'm going to go ahead and post this video, so it may be very short. But in any case, let's get after it. Well, that didn't work out quite like I wanted, but you know, hey, whatever. I gave it a shot, and I'll throw it in the perhaps later box. And if I ever get a press, maybe I'll fix it. But I really need a press, I think, to do it right. You know, additionally, one of the other problems is if you look here, the bend is right there. And so that makes it really awkward, because this gets in your way when you want to straighten it out, you know. So anyway, we gave it a shot. It was fun. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.